everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at LearnoHub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 9 Maths Chapter 6 Simultaneous Linear Equation. We will be discussing the method of elimination by equating coefficients with examples and solve questions from exercise 6b. Are you ready with your pen and papers? Let's begin. With this example, we'll understand the elimination by equating coefficients method. So here you have two equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. So you can see that in these equations, these are equations in two variables. They are linear equations in two variables. Here, this is the coefficient of x in the first equation, 4 is the coefficient of y in the second equation, 10 is a constant, 5 is the coefficient of x in the second equation, 3 is the coefficient of y in the second equation, 24 is a constant. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. So here you can see both these are of this form. Okay, when you take this 10 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 10 and the c value is minus 10. When you take 24 to the left hand side, it will be minus 24 and c value is minus 24. So the first step is consider the two equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. The first step is you have to make the coefficients of either x or y the same in both the equations. So here you can see we have 3 as the x coefficient and here 5 is the x coefficient. So what can be done is you are going to multiply the coefficient of x in the second equation throughout the first equation. So here it is 5. So 5 into first equation. Similarly, you are going to multiply throughout the second equation with the coefficient of x in the first equation. Okay. One method is this. The other method is multiplying the coefficient of y in the first equation throughout the second equation and coefficient of y in the second equation throughout the first equation. Okay. Then what does first equation change to? Here 5 into 3x, 15x minus 5 into 4y, 20y is equal to 50. Okay. Here again 15x, 3 into 3, 9, minus 9y is equal to 3 into 24, which is equal to 72. Okay. Now you can see the coefficient of x in the first and second equation are the same. Next step, we are going to remove this x containing terms. For that, I am going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. 15x minus 15x becomes 0. So this term cancels. Then you have minus 20y, minus of minus plus 9y. How much do we get? We get minus 11y. 50 minus 72. What is 50 minus 72? 22. Minus 22. Okay. Because 72 is greater. Now, what is the y value? Y will be equal to minus 22 divided by minus 11, which is equal to, negatives can be cancelled, then you get 2. We got the y value. After getting the y value, you are going to substitute this y value in any of the equation, either the first equation or the second equation to get the x value. Here, I am taking the first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Substituting the y value here, what do we get? We have y is equal to 2. Okay, so 3x minus 4 into 2 is equal to 10. 3x minus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10 plus 8. 3x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 18 by 3, which is equal to 6. So you got x value equal to 6 and y value is equal to 2. For just the confirmation or verification, you can substitute this x and y values either in the first equation or second equation. When you take the second equation, 5x minus 3y. This is the left hand side. Substitute x and y values. You should get 24. So 24. Here we have 24 on the right hand side. So 5 into 6 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 30 minus 6 equal to 24. So RHS we have 24. Hence verified. Understood the elimination method? Clear? Second example, solve using the method of elimination by equating coefficients x plus y is equal to 3.3 and 0.6 divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 1, given 3x minus 2y not equal to 0. If 3x minus 2y is equal to 0, then what happens? Here we have 0.6 divided by 0 equal to minus 1. 0 when taken to the opposite side, what happens? 0.6 is equal to 0 into minus 1. Is this possible? Left hand side 0.6 is equal to right hand side 0. No, right? So the statement will be false. So that we are given that 3x minus 2y should not be equal to 0. Okay, so first equation is x plus y is equal to 3.3 and the second equation 0.6 divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Making rearrangement, here we have 0.6 is equal to minus of 3x minus 2y is taken to the opposite side numerator, 3x minus 2y. Okay, here this whole term has a negative sign. Now I am taking this term to the left hand side. So it becomes 3x minus 2y. Okay, 0.6 taken to the opposite side, minus 0.6. This is our second equation. So first equation and second equation. Okay, x plus y is equal to 3.3. Second equation, 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 0.6. So we need to make the coefficients of either the x terms or the y terms equal, so that we can subtract or add and find the value. So here we have 3x, the coefficient of x is 3. So to make the coefficient of x3 in the first equation, what can be done? The whole equation should be multiplied with 3. Or we can make the y coefficient minus 2. For that you have to multiply whole of this first equation with minus 2. So here we are going to multiply the whole equation with 3. Okay. Equation 1 into 3. What do we get? 3x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 3.3. That is 3x plus 3y is equal to 9.9. Okay. Now the second equation, 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 0.6. Okay. So here the x containing terms, when you check, you can see that first term is also positive and even in the second equation the x containing term is positive. So we are going to subtract. Okay. In order to remove the x containing term, we are going to subtract the second equation from first equation. So subtracting. What do we get? This becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 9.9 minus 3x, minus of minus is plus, 2y, minus of minus again plus 0.6. Subtracting, 3x minus 3x gets cancelled, 3y plus 2y is 5y is equal to 9.9 plus 0.6. How much do we get? 10.5. Okay. So 5y is equal to 10.5. Then what is y? Y will be equal to 10.5 divided by 5, which is equal to 2.1. So y is equal to 2.1. Now we need to find x. So substitute value of y in first equation, in equation 1. So what is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 3.3. So substituting here, what do we get? X plus 2.1 is equal to 3.3 or x is equal to 3.3 minus 2.1. which is equal to 1.2. X is equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 2.1. Clear? Third example, solve 65x minus 33y is equal to 97 and 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. So here in this type of equations, you can see that the coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to coefficient of y, numerically equal to the coefficient of y in the second equation, and the coefficient of y in the first equation is numerically equal to the coefficient of x in the second equation. You can see 33y, here we have 33x, 65x, 65y, just the magnitude we are saying, not the sign, that is positive or negative, we are not considering. In such cases, what can be done is, we are going to add and subtract the equations. So, first equation 65x minus 33y is equal to 97 plus 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. What do we get on adding the first and second equations? You will be getting 98x minus 98y is equal to 98. Okay. So, here you can see 98x minus 98y is equal to 98. So, 98 is common. Okay. So, 98 can be removed. Then we have x minus y is equal to 1. Now, take this as some equation A. Next step, what we are going to do is, here we have added the first and second equation. We are going to subtract first and second equation. That is 65x minus 33y is equal to 97 minus 33x minus 65y is equal to minus 1. On subtracting, what do we get? 65 minus 33. You will be getting 32x minus 33y minus of minus plus 65y. You will be getting plus 32y. 97 minus 1. What is 97 minus 1? 96. Okay. 32x plus 32y is equal to 96. Okay, so here you can write this as 32 into x plus y is equal to 96, which means x plus y is equal to 96 divided by 32. What is 96 by 32? You will be getting 3. X plus y is thereby equal to 3. We take this as equation B. Okay, two simple equations we have. A is equal to x minus y is equal to 1 and equation B is x plus y is equal to 3. X minus y equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 3. You can see the coefficients are the same. Now, either adding or subtracting. If you are subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, then the x term will be removed. If you are adding, then the y term will be removed. Okay. So, here we can add first the equation A and equation B. What do we get? X plus x is 2x minus y plus y 0, 1 plus 3, 4. So, x is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay. To find y, substituting in the equation A, x minus y is equal to 1, 2 minus y is equal to 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to y. I am taking this minus y to the opposite side, 1 to the left hand side. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to y, which implies y is equal to 1. So, we got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay. Now, let us solve problems from exercise 6b, question 1 of exercise 6b. Solve using the method of elimination by equating coefficients. 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x. 3y is equal to 7x. We know the linear equations is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, this is a linear equation, two variable. So the second equation is 3y is equal to 7x. Or we can write this as 7x minus 3y is equal to 0. Then where is c? What is the value of c? In such case, the value of c will be equal to 0. A is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. Okay. So here we have the first equation, 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x. Or you can write this as 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. Second equation is 7x minus 3y is equal to 0. So, first equation and second equation. What is the first step? We have to make either the coefficients of x same or the coefficients of y same. What can be done? Here we have to find a suitable number. By multiplying with that number, the coefficient of either x or y should become same in both the equations. So here if I am multiplying the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2, we can make the coefficient of y same. Okay. So throughout the first equation I am multiplying with 3. That is, here we have 3. Okay. Throughout the second equation, I am multiplying with 2. Here we have the 2. That is coefficient of y in the first equation we are taking and multiplying throughout the second equation. Then what do we get? 3 into 9, 27. X 3 into minus 2 minus 6y is equal to 3 into 13, 39. Okay. Second equation on multiplying. 2 into 7x, 14x. 2 into minus 3y minus 6y is equal to 2 into 0, 0. Okay. Now subtraction or addition. Here you can see in both the equations, the y containing term, before the y containing term, there is a negative sign. We need opposite signs, right? For that, what can be done? This to get cancelled, we need opposite signs. Here we have negative, so this should be positive. For that, we are subtracting the second equation from the first equation. Then what happens? So here we have 27x minus 14x, which is equal to 13x. Minus 6y minus of minus 6y, which means minus 6y plus 6y, that is 0. Okay, is equal to 39 minus 0 is 39. We get the value of x. X is equal to 39 divided by 13, which is equal to 3. X value is equal to 3. Now we can find the y value. Okay. We have 3y is equal to 7x. So y is equal to 7x divided by 3. 7 into 3 divided by 3, 3 gets cancelled, then 7 we get. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. So these are the required values of x and y. Question number 2 of exercise 6b. Solve using the method of elimination. First equation 3x minus y is equal to 23. Second equation x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 4. So we have to first rearrange the second equation. First equation is 3x minus y is equal to 23. Second equation x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 4. Okay. So we are going to make this a linear equation in the straight line. So here we have 3 and 4 in the denominator. Okay. So we'll take the LCM. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into y, 3y is equal to 4. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 4 into 12 or 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Okay. So this is the first equation and this is your second equation. Okay. Here check the terms. So here we have x containing terms 3x and 4x. Y containing terms, here it is y and here it is 3y. So multiplying the first equation with 3, we will be getting same coefficients of y. Okay. So we are going to multiply the first equation with 3. What do we get? 3 into 3x, 9x minus 3y is equal to 69. Second equation as it is, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. So here you can see in the first equation y containing term is having a negative sign before that. Here we have a positive sign. So opposite signs. We will be adding the first and second equation. Addition is done in this case. If we have the same sign, in that case we do subtraction. Since we have opposite sign, we are doing addition. Okay. So 9x plus 4x, that is 13x, minus 3y plus 3y can be removed. Okay. 69 plus 48. What do we get? 170. Okay. So x is equal to 117 divided by 13, which is equal to 9. X value is equal to 9. Now we can find the y value. We have 3x minus y is equal to 23. 3 into 9 minus y is equal to 23. 3 into 9, 27 minus y is equal to 23, or y is equal to 27 minus 23, which is equal to 4. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Question number 4 of exercise 6b. 1 by 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 minus y. 26x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So first take the equation 1. 1 by 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 minus y. So we are going to make this in a straight line. For that, 4 is taken to the left hand side and 5 is taken to the right hand side. So here we have division, it becomes multiplication. 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 5 into 1 minus y. 4x, removing the brackets and multiplying, 4x, 4 into 2, 8 is equal to 5 minus 5y, or 4x plus 5y, minus 5y is taken to the left hand side, plus 5y is equal to 5 plus 8, minus 8 is taken, so it becomes plus 8, or 4x plus 5y is equal to 8 plus 5, that is 30. So this is the first equation. Okay. First equation we have rearranged and made in the form 4x plus 5y is equal to 30. Second equation, 26x plus 3y plus 4, when taken to opposite side becomes minus 4. This is your second equation. Now check the coefficients of x and y containing terms. So here we have 4, here we have 26, here we have 5, here we have 3. So the coefficient should be made the same. For that, what I am going to do is multiplying throughout the first equation with the coefficient of y in the second equation, that is 3. Similarly, multiplying throughout the second equation with the coefficient of y in the first equation, that is 5. Okay. 3 into 4x. What is 3 into 4x? 12x. 3 into 5y, 15y plus 15y is equal to 3 into 13, 39. Okay. Now the second equation, 5 into 26x, that is 130x. 5 into 3y, 15y. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. Okay. So here you can see positive sign, coefficient is now made the same. Okay, both are positive, which means you have to subtract. Second equation, subtracting it from the first equation. So 12x minus 130x, we will be getting minus 118x. 15y minus 15y can be removed. Then we have 39 minus of minus, which is plus 20. 59. Then what is x? Minus 59 divided by 118. You will be getting minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now to find y, we have equation number 1, that is 4x plus 5y is equal to 13. Substitute the value of x in the first equation. So 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 5y is equal to 13 minus 2. Okay, 4 and 2 can be cancelled. You will be getting 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 5y is equal to 13. 5y is equal to 13 plus 2 or 5y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to 15 by 5 equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. We have x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so we have found the values of x and y by solving these two equations with the method of elimination by equating coefficient. Question number 5 of exercise 6b. First equation is y is equal to 2x minus 6 and second equation y is equal to 0. Very simple, right? First equation y is equal to 2x minus 6. Second equation y is equal to 0. We are going to equate the coefficients. Here you can see in the first and second equation, the y coefficient here it is 1 and here also it is 1. They are same. Okay. Now we can subtract second equation from the first equation. Subtracting, what do we get? 1y minus 1y is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 6 plus minus 0. Okay, which is 2x minus 6. So 0 is equal to 2x minus 6, which means 2x will be equal to 6 and x will be equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. X value equal to 3. What is about y value? Here it is very well given that y is already equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. This here we have done equating coefficient method. If it is just a simple method, that is substitution method, you just need to substitute this y value in the first equation, then easily we get 0 is equal to 2x minus 6. Substituting the value of y in the first equation, then you will get 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. Okay, so you have to check which method is given. We have to use that method only. Okay, question number 7 of exercise 6b. 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. 2 into x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. So, first equation will make some rearrangements. Here we have 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. This is 3 minus x plus 5 is equal to y plus 2, removing the brackets and multiplying. Minus x minus y is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 5. Here x and y have taken in the left hand side, all other terms taken to the right hand side. Negative sign taken out. Minus of x plus y is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. So, x plus y you will be getting 6. Okay. So, this is your first equation. We have made first equation in this form. Now, the second equation 2 into x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Again removing the brackets and multiplying. 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3y, or 2x plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 4. Minus 3y taken to the left hand side. 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. So, this is your second equation. First equation we have x plus y is equal to 6. Second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. The next step we have to make the coefficient of either x or y same in the first and second equation. So, here we have 2x. To make the coefficient of x2 in the first equation, we are going to multiply throughout with 2. So, the equation becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 into 6, 12. Second equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now, you can see the sign is same. This is positive 2x, this is positive 2x. So, in that case, we are going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. We get 2x minus 2x can be removed. Okay. 2y minus 5y, that is minus 3y equal to 12 minus 4, 8, or y is equal to minus 8 divided by 3. This is the value of y. Now to find x, we have the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. Check both the equation, which is easier, you can take that equation. Okay, substitute the value of y, x minus 8 by 3 is equal to 6. So denominator we get 3, taking LCM, 3x minus 8 equal to 6, or 3x minus 8 is equal to 6 into 3, that is 18. 3x is equal to 18 plus 8. 3x is equal to 18 plus 8 is 26, and x is equal to 26 divided by 3. So we got x is equal to 26 by 3 and y is equal to minus 8 divided by 3. These are the values of x and y. Question 9 of exercise 6b. So here 13x plus 11y is equal to 70, first equation. 11x plus 13y is equal to 74 is the second equation. Okay, so here you can see the coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to coefficient of y in the second equation. Coefficient of y in the first equation is equal to coefficient of x in the second equation. In that case, what can be done? We are going to add and subtract both the equations. So first, 13x plus 11y is equal to 70 plus 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. On adding, what do we get? 13x plus 11x, which is 24x, plus 11 plus 13 again 24. 24y is equal to 70 plus 74, which is 144. Okay, 24 into x plus y is equal to 144. Then x plus y is equal to 144 divided by 24. How much do we get? We know that 12 into 12 is 144. 12 into 2 is 24. Okay, so you will be having this is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, let's mention this as equation A. Now to find equation B, subtracting, that is 13x plus 11y equal to 70 minus 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Subtracting 13 minus 11, which is 2x, 11 minus 13 minus 2y is equal to 70 minus 74 minus 4. 2 common, x minus y is equal to minus 4. X minus y is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2. So x plus y is 6, which we are taking as equation A. And x minus y is equal to minus 2 is equation B. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we can find the value of x and y by equating the coefficient. So here you can see x, x, the coefficient is 1, y, y, coefficient is 1. Here positive and negative sign, opposite sign. So on adding the first and second equation, what do we get? We are adding A and B. We get x plus x 2x, y minus y 0 is equal to 6 minus 2 4, and x is equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now to find y, 2 plus y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So x value is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Okay, question number 10 of exercise 6b. First equation, 41x plus 53y is equal to 135. Second equation, 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. You can see the coefficient of x in the first equation, coefficient of y in the second equation are same, which is equal to 41. Coefficient of y in the first equation and coefficient of x in the second equation are same, 53. In this case, what can be done? We are going to add and subtract both the equations. So, 41x plus 53y is equal to 135. 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. Okay. On adding, what do we get? 41x plus 53x, that is equal to 94x plus 53y plus 41y, 94y is equal to 135 plus 147. How much do we get? 282. Okay. Or 94 into x plus y is equal to 282. X plus y is equal to 282 divided by 94. You will be getting 3. So, x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. This is the first equation. Okay. Now, to get the second equation, we are going to subtract 41x plus 53y is equal to 135 minus 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. 41x minus 53x. What do we get? Minus 12x. 53y minus 41y, which is plus 12y, is equal to 135 minus 147, which is minus 12. So, minus sign taken out, x minus y is equal to minus 12, which means x minus y is equal to plus 12. This is our second equation. Okay. Now, comparing 1 and 2, you can see that the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. When you take y, here you can see positive and here you can see negative sign. So, x plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 12. So, I am going to add first and second equation. You can subtract the equations. If you subtract the equations, x term will not be there. If you add the equations, then the y terms can be removed. Okay. So, x plus x 2x, y minus y0 is equal to 3 plus 12, 15. X is equal to 15 divided by 2. Okay. X plus y is equal to 3. This is the first equation. X is 15 by 2 plus y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 3 minus 15 divided by 2. 2 in the denominator. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 15, which is equal to minus 9 by 2. The value of x is 15 by 2 and y is equal to minus 9 divided by 2. These are the values of x and y. Question 12 of exercise 6b. If 10y is equal to 7x minus 4 and 12x plus 18y is equal to 1, find the values of 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. So, here we have to find the values of x and y from these two equations given and then substitute the x and y values in these equations. Okay. So, here we have 10y is equal to 7x minus 4, or this can be written as 7x minus 10y is equal to 4. Okay, that is variable containing terms you are taking on one side and the constant is on other side. So, this is the first equation. Second equation, 12x plus 18y is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to make the coefficients of x and y, x or y same in the first and second equations. Here, if you have to make the x coefficient same, we will have to multiply the first equation throughout with 12 and the second equation throughout with 7. If you have to make the y coefficient same, the first equation should be multiplied throughout with 18. That is the coefficient of y in the second equation, and the second equation throughout should be multiplied with 10. Okay. So, here I am multiplying throughout with 18 and here I am multiplying throughout with 10. 18 into 7x. How much do we get? 18 into 7. What is 18 into 7? 56, 12, 126. Okay. So 126x minus 180y is equal to 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is 72. Okay. Now multiplying throughout with 10, you will be getting 120x plus 180y is equal to 10 into 1, 10. Okay, here you can see this is negative and this is positive, opposite sign. So we are going to add the first and second equations. On adding, what do we get? 126x plus 120x, which is equal to 246x. Minus 180y plus 180y can be cancelled. Okay, then 72 plus 10, which is equal to 82. So x is equal to 82 divided by 246, which is 1 divided by 3. X value is 1 by 3. Now we have to find the y value. So here substitute either in the first equation or second equation. First equation, 10y is equal to 7x minus 4. Substituting the value of x. 7 into 1 by 3 minus 4. 10y is equal to 7 by 3 minus 4. Y you have to find. Okay. So 10y will be equal to 3. 7 minus 12. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. So 10y is equal to 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12 is minus 5 divided by 3. And y is equal to minus 5 by 3 into 1 by 10. I am taking this 10 to the opposite side, so it becomes division. Okay. Cancelling, we get 2 here. So minus 1 by 6. X value is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now we have to find the values of 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. First, let's find what is 4x plus 6y. Substitute the values of x and y. 4 into 1 by 3 plus 6 into minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, that is 3 in the denominator. 4 minus 3 equal to 1 by 3. Okay. 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 by 3. Next, we have to find 8y minus x equal to 8 into minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 equal to. Here, we can cancel. This becomes 4 and 3. So, minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 in the denominator. Minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5 by 3. So, the value of 8y minus x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Okay. Minus 5 by 3 and the other one is 1 by 3. Clear? Question number 14 of exercise 6b. Find the value of m if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to m. What does it mean? When you substitute the x value equal to 2 and y value is equal to 1 in the left hand side, the right hand side value will be equal. Only then we call it an equation. So here this is an equation and the values of x and y will satisfy the equation, which means this values of x and y is a solution of the equation. So when you substitute this values of x and y, you will be getting what is on the right hand side, and here on the right hand side we have m. So that will be the value of m. Let x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. We have the expression 2x plus 3y is equal to m. Substituting the x and y values, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to m. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to m. M is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. M value is 7. Okay. Question number 15 of exercise 6b. 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24. This is the first equation. Second, 3x minus y is equal to 20. Now consider the first one. What is 10%? How can you write 10%? 10% is 10 divided by 100 into x. 10% of x means 10 by 100 into x plus 20% of y, 20 by 100 into y is equal to 24. Okay. Zeros can be cancelled. x by 10 plus 2y by 10 is equal to 24. Denominator we have 10. Okay. LCM will be 10. X plus 2y in the numerator, that is equal to 24, or x plus 2y is equal to 24 into 10. X plus 2y is equal to 240. So this is our first equation. Now second equation is directly given, which is 3x minus y is equal to 20. Okay. Next, either we have to make the x containing terms, that is coefficient of x the same or the coefficient of y the same. Okay. Here we have y coefficient 2. So we can make 2 here in the second equation. What should be done? Multiplying throughout with 2. Okay. Then the equation becomes x plus 2y is equal to 240. 2 into 3x, which is 6x, minus 2y is equal to 2 into 20, 40. Okay. Now you can see this is positive and this is negative. So we are going to add the first and second equation. On adding, x plus 6x, 7x, 2y minus 2y get cancelled. You will be getting 240 plus 40, 280. X is equal to 280 divided by 7, which is equal to 40. X value is equal to 40. Next, we have to find the y value. So consider the second equation. 3x minus y is equal to 20. Substituting the value of x here, 3 into 40 minus y is equal to 20. 3 into 40, 120 minus y is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 120 minus 20, which is equal to 100. So x value is equal to 40 and y value is equal to 100. Clear? Here we have the last question for today, question 16 of exercise 6b. The value of expression mx minus ny is 3 when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. And its value is 8 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Find the values of m and n. The expression, first expression is mx minus ny is equal to 3. When does this become equal to 3? When does mx minus ny become equal to 3? Only when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. So put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. M into 5 minus n into 6 is equal to 3, or 5m minus 6n is equal to 3. So this is the first equation. Okay. And its value is 8 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Okay. mx minus ny is equal to 8 when x is equal to 6. So m into 6 minus n into 5 is equal to 8, or 6m minus 5n is equal to 8. So this is the second equation. First equation and second equation. Now we can see that here the coefficient of m in the first equation is equal to coefficient of n in the second equation. Coefficient of n in the first equation is equal to coefficient of m in the second equation. So we can add and subtract the equations. Adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, what do we get? 5m plus 6m, that is 11m. Minus 6n minus 5n minus 11n is equal to 3 plus 8, that is 11, which means m minus n is equal to 11 divided by 11, because 11 is common, equal to 1. So m minus n is equal to 1. Equation A. Okay. Next, subtracting 1 minus 2. 5m minus 6m, that is minus m, minus 6n minus of minus 5n, minus 6n plus 5n, which is minus n, is equal to 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. Negative signs are there with all the terms which can be removed. So this becomes m plus n is equal to 5. Okay. So this is equation B. Now here you can see m minus n. So either you can add the equations or you can subtract the equation to find the values of m and n. So I'm adding a and b. A plus b. What do we get? M plus m, 2m, minus n plus n, that is 0, equal to 1 plus 5, 6. And m is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is 3. M is equal to 3. Now substitute this m value in any of the equations. I am substituting in A. So 3 minus n is equal to 1, which means n is equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. N value is 2 and m value is 3. Okay. That's all for today. In today's class, we have studied the method of elimination by equating coefficient, method of solving linear equations in two variables. Hope you all enjoyed this session. We have also solved many questions from exercise 6b. There are a few more questions left which you can solve on your own. I'll be back in the next session with a new method. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.